Good evening, sir. Please tell us your name and where you're calling us from.
I'm calling you from Rungu. I'm Mare Pasco.
Thank you so much, Mr. Pasco. Go ahead with your contribution.
Mr. IP, politicians come and go.
Yes, please.
Floods are here to stay.
Right.
We have engineers here in Zambia. Every year our universities are floating engineers.
Right.
It is us Zambians to benefit from the education that they have.
Right.
Okay, let me reduce the volume. Yeah, it is us to benefit from those engineers that our universities are producing. Let the engineers give the roadmap. Then the politicians will be there to finance the projects that will bring to an end the flooding that we are experiencing in Lusaka. Even other things like road shedding, it is up to the education sector to produce the much needed think tanks to bring to the table the solutions that the politicians can finance so that they implement and arrest the situation. It would be unfair to say politicians do this. These politicians are coming from different professionals. Some of them are accountants, some of them are teachers, some of them are medical doctors. So the problem for the floods, it is entirely about the engineers that our country has employed in council and other institutions that deal with matters of planning. So my submission is that let the engineering body institute a committee that will give us that solution towards the drainage system in Lusaka. Thank you, I submit.
I'm so grateful, Mr. Pasco. Thank you so much. Fantastic. All right, that's a phone call coming from Mr. Pasco there in Mongu. Of course, giving a very comprehensive